This one.
You haven't missed anything?
Don't have any offers there.
No offers? All right, I'm gonna text Mr. Goss now.
Change, I didn't see any change.
Here, this one's closed out, that one's.
Oh, okay. Who was in here?
Kate Green, and Charles Lavin so far.
Oh.
If that's your client.
I believe so. I asked him to sign in.
All right, good morning, Mr. Gordon.
Good morning.
Yes. No, we got three.
I'll see you in 1 second.
And Charles Lavin.
Okay.
Same old deal? I mean, 3 months. All right, counselor, for your client, it'll be a delayed sentence, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment of the $240, and he has a right to a trial. I can let you speak with him in a breakout room, or you can talk to him now if you like.
Can I go into a breakout room briefly?
Sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ms. Hatch.
Good afternoon.
All right, Mr.
Gucci.
Butcher, your client has, the other matters. 31 over the speed limit, the improper equipment, and the no insurance misdemeanor.
Hello.
How are you?
Those-
Good.
Good. Get a moment to talk.
All right, I'm gonna mute you, Ms. Gay, if you can't keep the device.
Yeah, I'm just a court call right now, getting a ticket taken care of, so I'll call you back.
What are you gonna do about this other tickets here?
Well, I filed an appearance.
Talking to the city attorney right now. Why is it showing up these tickets? Yeah, so you're not, listed as attorney of record for these other three matters, so I don't know.
I did file an appearance on the no proof of insurance. I want to say, I might have the email. That's about it.
The other two civil infractions were, let me hand this back to the city attorney.
Okay,
If you need to, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with him.
thank you.
That's on, 75. So, do it. I think so. Myself, I'll let you talk to him. He wants to talk to you. 102. Is it what? 102.
Hello?
Yes, hold on a second.
Okay, okay, sorry, sir.
Let's, all right, so Counselor, he's not willing to give any offer on the other tickets at all because he wants your client to take Michigan defensive driving course based on the nature of the allegations on the speeding. It's alleged that your client was going 102 miles an hour on I-75 and a 55-mile-an-hour zone. So with that being said, you can still speak with the city attorney if you like. I will give you that opportunity to do that. But Michigan defensive driving course is way apparently well. What I want to do is let's do this. Get online. If there's I want to offer present it just by taking the course.
I'll have him take the course. I'll talk to him and I'll have him take the course and we can talk to the city attorney after he completes it.
Want to do that? How long is it going to take you to take the course? So let's call the tickets. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Nathan Gordon. Case number SP 124-14681, SP 124-639-1, counts 1 and 2, and SP 124-639-2, counts 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Douglas Gucci on behalf of Brandon Gordon, who's present via Zoom and waives his presence in court. Brandon? State your
Yes.
name. State your name.
Brandon Gordon.
Right. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter, on all the matters. Clients are not guilty plea on your client can have and Michigan defensive driving. I'll put it in the chat. We should Google it just like this to make sure that you get to the proper course, because there's a lot of driving courses out there. This is the one that the city attorney office, that's on the plea sheet. How long do you need? Is 30 days good enough?
I believe it should be. Brandon, can you get this class completed in 30 days?
Yes.
30 days would be great, Your Honor.
Going to give them until April the 5th. That's the next pretrial date. All right, I'll put this in the chat, sir. You can make sure screenshot it or write it down. I got Michigan defensive driving.com. Please select the Detroit defensive driving option. Email me the certificate to SEAN.PERKINS@36districtcourt.org. Your next court date will be April the 5th. We'll call that a pretrial date, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. So the city attorney wants you to take copious notes about this what you have in this, because you're going to be expected in open court to come in and give us some detailed information about what you learned about driving in particular, especially as it relates to the allegations that have been made here. And of course, it's just very informative. So you should get a lot of information out of that course, and you should be able to articulate that information to an open court and convince the city attorney as well as myself that you've actually taken this seriously, you've done the course, and that you learned something from it. All right. So you can't take enough notes. It's a lot. It's 14 chapters. It's a quiz after each chapter. It's a final exam, and it's just a lot of very helpful information in that course. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, anything further, Counselor?
Not on that matter, but on the original matter of the first case of the park issue, he will avail himself to that offer. I think the date and time set for the arraignment. So he'll stand mute and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty, and then he will accept.
Why don't we just, I don't mean to cut you off. Why don't we just do that on the day of April 5th? Unless there's some kind of strategic.
No, there's nothing strategic about it. We can do it all April 5th. That'll be great.
All right. If there's
Thank you,
nothing
Your
further, have a great day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
1:30.
And your client. All right.
Actual
This
court.
is the city of Detroit.
Court.
First, hold on, you gotta be quiet. Who's on the phone at 948-67-9679? Who's that?
Jeff Osgood.
Osgood. Good morning, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Gay Janine Green. Case number U60135421. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
My name,
Yes.
Gay, G-A-Y, Green, Green.
Okay, good afternoon to you, Ms. Green. I asked your client, off the record, does she feel she needs any, substance abuse treatment? And, you
No,
know,
sir.
no, wait a minute. Really, is really a question I could probably answer myself, in that, of course, she says no. Client indicates she's 62 years old. The allegations are here. I don't know if you have them in front of you, Ms. Hatcher, but.
I don't, Your Honor. I just have the docket sheet. I can just see that it's a drug violation, but I don't know, the ins and outs of what happened.
So, it's my experience with having seen this stuff growing up, that, like I say, of course, she's gonna say she doesn't need any help. But these allegations just had in September involves crack cocaine. And there's an officer in the
That's
file.
and so you know what it's for.
You're gonna have to be quiet, Mr. Lavin. There's an offer here in the file for her to plead to this under a 3-month delay. And I just, I'm thinking that she needs some help. I don't know. Have you ever had any treatment before, ma'am?
Years ago. No, when I was like younger, maybe in my 30s something, I'm not sure, but years ago, but it wasn't really bad or nothing, but no.
It wasn't what?
I said it wasn't bad or anything like that. No, sir.
Sounds like you've been dealing with this problem all your life almost, huh?
No, sir. Honestly, no, sir, I haven't, no.
All right, I don't know. All right. Let's do this. The offer's $240 fine. Your client has a right to a trial. I can let you speak with the attorney in the breakout room, your attorney in the breakout room today, ma'am, if you want to talk to her. I'm not gonna dismiss this upon payment as I usually do most delayed sentences. We'll see if this happens again. If not, if it does, then she's gonna lose the delayed option. She'll have pled guilty to this, and she comes back in here again, the consequences are gonna be a lot more severe than this. But what do you want to do, ma'am?
I have to pay the fine, what, $240?
You want to speak with the lawyer, or you just want to, what do you want to do?
I'll just pay my fine.
A trial. If you contest in this and it's not true, you have a right to the trial, or you can all right, talk to her in a breakout room for a moment momentarily.
Okay.
Okay. Hello?
Judge,
Hmm?
you know you're not on the screen, right?
I'm not on the screen?
Hello?
Your computer. I can see your computer, but not you. There.
That's what-
Okay, there you go.
It's Officer People's fault.
Yeah, I was looking at a computer screen. I did have an opportunity to confer with the defendant. She indicated that she would like to avail herself of the offer of the 3-month delayed sentence. It's her position that there were extenuating circumstances to the incident and that it will not occur before this court again. So
Extenuating circumstances to have some crack cocaine.
I just
That's, I would
Giving-
love to hear that.
well, we don't want to give all that today. So
All right.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the city of Detroit. Your Honor, I just would like to impress upon Ms. Green that this is a one-time offer. If she comes again, there won't be an offer like that. So I hopefully she will, she won't come back again. Thank you, Your Honor.
I've already impressed that upon her. I wish Ms. Green would commit to getting into the drug treatment court because you know, I'm just gonna tell you straight up, Ms. Green, I don't believe that you've gotten over this problem. And then, like I say, in fact, in my life and what I've seen,
Yes, sir.
people that have this problem, you say dated back to 30 years ago, you got treatment. And you may have had some opportunities or some instances where you have been clean. I wouldn't doubt that, but what I would suspect is, for the most part, you've still been using and just haven't gotten caught. But I'm going to allow you to lead to this one time, and we'll see. We'll hope for the best for you. That's what we'll do, and we'll see what happens there. All right. So,
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Ms. Green, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am.
okay,
Madam, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes,
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
yes,
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I stated in the record?
no, sir,
All right, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to September the 15th, 2021, at around 6:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rosa Parks in Philadelphia, ma'am. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit police on that day?
yes, I did.
And on that day, were you in possession of 2 aluminum packs containing crack cocaine? What is suspected to be crack cocaine?
Yes,
All right, and that was, you didn't have any legal authority to possess that, did you?
no,
And that cocaine, that crack cocaine was not prescribed to you by any doctor or anything, was it?
no,
All right, now, are you satisfied, counselor?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied as well. I am going to find you guilty as charged to the narcotic drug violation as stated in the complaint. I'm going to fine you $240. I'm going to put you on a 3-month delayed sentence. With that, I want your client to be tested. What's your financial situation like now?
I'm disabled.
Are you
I'm
on
on Social
SSI
Security.
or something?
Yes,
All right, what I want to do, I'm going to just limit it to once a month. come back in here with payment of the $240. I want you to be screened randomly, one time per month, drug screening. All right?
Okay.
So, do that one time per month. We're gonna get you, I'm gonna get you a number to probation. Ma'am, is this a good phone number for you?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an ink pen, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I need you to take this number down.
Okay, I'm ready.
That would be 313
Okay.
965.
965
Yes, 3414.
3414.
Yes. I'm gonna have you
Okay.
back. I'm gonna have you back May the 12th, 2022 at 8:30.
Wait a minute, May the 12th?
Yes, 2022 at 8:30.
Okay, at 8:30. And that's
Yes.
in the morning, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And what I want is I want to have the 3 testing screens done. I want those to be negative, of course. I want you to have that $240 paid off. And I want you to, then I want to be able to close this matter out. And I don't want you to get in any trouble anymore in between that time or thereafter, hopefully. But as it relates to this case, I'll close it out on May the 12th. If you come in with and have the $240 paid, and then have the trust screens done. If you don't hear from anybody before by Monday, I want you to call that number I gave you and let them know that I want you set up for those drug screens.
Okay, so Judge, what the number was 313-965-3414,
Correct.
and then I got to call you when by May the 12th, or you saying?
You got to call back in May 12th. Yes.
Okay, at 8:30 a.m.
Yes.
And then I gotta have the $240 then.
No, you got to pay it before then, ma'am. I would pay that at any DIV kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I would pay that, come down to the courthouse and pay that.
At 36.
Yeah, if you want to pay it on that day, then you can just come up to the court and I can have you in person.
Okay.
But if you pay it before then and you don't get any other instances like this, and you don't have any positive tests, we can close this out and dismiss the case.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, but Judge, I gotta call this number though on May the 12th. This number you gave me though, right?
You call the 965 number by Monday, if they don't call you.
By this Monday?
Yes.
Okay, by this Monday. Okay, I got you. Okay. And then I gotta set up an appointment and stuff.
Yeah, they should already have the information. They should call you first, but if they don't call you by Monday, call them up.
Okay, and I thank you, officer. I thank you too for my attorney. Thank you both.
All right,
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Charles Lavin, case number SP 122-40651, SP 122-4088, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Murray Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir. Mr. Lavin.
He's on mute. He's got to unmute himself. And turn your camera on, sir.
Good
Good afternoon. I apologize. I was trying to not disturb the court.
That's good. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon to you as well.
State your name for the record, sir.
Charles Lavin.
All right, all right. So today is the date and time set for an arraignment in the matter. And I'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Ms. Hatcher, you got 3 charges: unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and a speeding ticket. The offer in the file is to plead to improper plates as a $240 fine. That does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It is a misdemeanor. However, upon payment of that misdemeanor, I will dismiss the case. And with stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other 2 cases. You have a right to a trial, sir. And you can speak with Ms. Hatcher in a breakout room if you want some more information, or need some help making an informed decision. What would you like to do, sir?
I'd like to accept that.
You want to accept that deal? Can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanor, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Okay.
You understand that?
I do understand. Just one question, Your Honor. So I pay the $240 and this is gone from my record. It's released. There's no.
It's gone from your record.
Okay. I understand. I agree.
All right, you understand that you have a right to a trial?
I do.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Correct.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, so let me draw your attention back to July the 11th, 2021 at around 4:22 p.m. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with Detroit's finest police officer?
I did, and he was a perfect gentleman.
Okay. And on that day, sir, were you operating a 2015 Mercedes-Benz?
Yes, sir.
And was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir, or registration on that vehicle?
Yes, I didn't have a current sticker because I live in Canada and wasn't able to cross the border because of COVID to obtain it.
All right. No, he's got unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and a speeding. They said he was ripping and running that Mercedes, testing it out, making sure that it blew it out. And so before he said he was going to actually buy it, I guess. So you got something to say? What's the offer? He's pleading to improper plates, $240 fine, and dismissing the rest. I'll dismiss immediately upon payment of the $240. Same deal. Those just do the blockade. You want to do the blockade? It sounds like it's getting better for you. And Ms. Hatcher doesn't even have to do much work here. What do you want to do? Put your appearance on the record, please.
Again, Your Honor, or the prosecutor?
Pardon me?
Prosecutor, Dante Goss on behalf of the City of Detroit. Your Honor, I heard Mr. Levin's situation about not being able to cross the border. So I'm willing to modify my offer and have him plead to the blockading instead of the property.
All right, well, that's getting better. It saves you, that's $175. It's a civil infraction, no points either. And it's you don't even have to admit to a misdemeanor.
You're very kind. Thank you very much.
All right, then you want to take that deal, sir?
I do.
All right, so let's go back, and all I do now is ask you, Ms. Hatcher, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. How did the Mercedes run, sir?
Very well. Thank you.
I bet it did. I bet it did. I am going to, with the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated.
All right. Sir, $175. When can you pay?
I can pay it today.
All right. I would pay that at any, are you in Ontario, Canada? Or
I am. I'm in Windsor, Ontario. Yes, sir.
You're in Windsor, so I don't know if you can pay that at any, if you can come down to the courthouse and pay that. Well, what I'll say is this, I would suggest you come down to the courthouse and pay it, or you pay it at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit. The online payments take some time. If you want to pay it online, what I'll do is I'll give you a payment date by somewhere in April the 5th. I'll set it for you, Ms. Hatcher, if he's gonna pay it online, so that it'll give that time process. So let's just make it April 5th, 2022, review at 8:25 a.m. If it's paid by then, sir, we'll pull it up. We'll do the paperwork on our end to close this matter out. However, if it's not paid for some reason by that time, I need to see you back on April 5th, 2022 at 8:25, all right?
Thank you very much, Your Honor, and everyone else.
All right, very well, sir. Be safe.
Have a great day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jeffrey Allen Osgood, case number SP 1224812.
Sweet German fend off their neighbors from world champions.
Hello? Excuse me.
Hold on a second, Mr. Good.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, now, Mr. Osgood,
Yes, sir.
can you state your name for the record, please?
Jeffrey Allen Osgood.
All right, and Madam Hatcher, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good afternoon. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of Mr. Osgood.
Okay, I got, where is the city attorney? I have two charges. One is failure to stop at an intersection. That's a 3-point offense. The other is a no insurance misdemeanor. We will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. But the offer is to plead to that $240 failure to display a valid driver's license. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, sir.
Your Honor, what house do you have?
I have, well, here's the deal.
Okay, because I have
the original,
and something about a stop sign.
yeah, I have the original ticket here, and what happened, it appears, and I've seen this before, they charged him with 3 counts, but only 2 counts made it to the record.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
So he's only looking at a failure to stop and a no insurance misdemeanor. That's why I'm just summons the city attorney to the room in order for him to reevaluate the offer, because he has him pleading to something that hasn't been charged. And maybe he may get better. So let's wait until he comes in the room and see if we can sort this out. There it is. All right, I'll put your appearance on the record, Mr. Goss.
Dante Goss on behalf of the city of Detroit.
All right, so what it is I see you saw the ticket, actual ticket here, but as it relates to the system, that driving commercial vehicle with no license in possession never got charged. He's only looking at failure to stop and a no insurance misdemeanor. So what would the
Okay,
officer?
it would be just blockading, Your Honor.
All right,
Blockading for the failure to stop.
blocking traffic. $175 fine, sir. You want to take that deal?
Yes, sir.
All right, Madam Hatcher, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stop and
So
response? All right. With that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. With stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to dismiss the other matter.
Yes, sir.
Counselor, with that stipulation of probable cause.
Yeah, so stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm finding you responsible for blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay?
I can pay I get paid on the 23rd, the 24th. Can I call in and use my credit card to pay?
You need to come down to the court, sir.
Okay, I'll come down there on the 24th and pay it.
All right, I'm gonna put February 25th for a review. If it's not paid by February 25th, then you need to show back up on that date, explaining to the court why you couldn't pay it. So if it's paid before the February 25th date, you don't need to show back up, sir, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir.
You too. Thank you, sir.
All right, hold on. All right, Mr. Good, we're getting to know each other on a first name basis.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
Comes in and slap you all the time. I know some slap. I know
you
some
probably
slap North End.
Yeah, I know them her family, I'm sure.
What's the problem now? What's your first name?
Eric Good.
All right, let me see what's going on. Goode, right?
Yeah. I was looking to see if I had an appointment for the Secretary of State today, and they said that it wasn't taken off again.
Eric Good.
Yes.
All good.
It's all good.
All right, I see.
Thank you.
Hold on a second. Oh, can we get a register action for the county? Eric, good. I can print it up. I got his driver's license. Maybe. Yeah, it takes, I told you, it takes probably 48 to 72 hours.
Oh, I thought was that Monday I was here?
I don't know. I don't remember, but I know you've been coming in checking on it. You're trying to get that driver's license, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
You ain't had one of them in years.
Yeah, oh man, tell me about it.
Did they give you a printout, sir?
Yep. The citation number on here, they was asking was it the right citation number? I said, I'm sure you got it right.
All right, what is let's see, hold on. What's the citation number?
05360711.
You might have to go to the state police on that. They put that 625 hold on there sometimes. Is it a state ticket? Yes. You can notify them. We'll notify them downstairs because
Okay.
just get some kind of. Because
you know what they'll do? They can. I don't see the clearance. They're gonna have to go in and you'll see it'll say clearance accepted.
Okay. That's all right. Well, we're gonna try something else again, sir.
Okay.
You can call me back in about. It probably won't take an hour.
All right. Well, Ms. Nash says you can call her back in about an hour. You got an 810?
Yep.
313.
313
965
965
2402.
Excuse me, say that one more time.
2402.
2402.
Mr. Good, once that driver's license bad, Ms. F.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
He's not gonna let anything stop him from getting that license now.
Yep.
He's on a mission.
That's right.
That's a good
All
thing.
right. That is. Good luck to you, sir. If you need something, you know where we'll be.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right,
Sorry to bother you too.
Huh?
I said sorry to bother you too.
It's no bother. This is what we do. I hope you
Okay.
register to vote, though.
Yes, I am. I
All
will.
right. I hope you get in the game.
All right. I will.
All right. Have
Thank
a great day, sir. If you need something
too.
else, we'll call. She's gonna put that and send an email down right now to the administration downstairs and give her an hour. And we're
Okay.
trying to get that clearance up. You may have to go to the state police with the clearance too. You might.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
What's her name?
Anything? What is her name? What is her name?
Miss Nash.
Miss Nash.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Does he have the phone number to call?
Yeah.
Or is he
Yeah.
supposed to be emailing? Okay.
What is it? 965-2402.
All day.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right.
We're all done?
Do it.
All righty. Y'all have a good afternoon.